and you can mess with it. Like, let's filter this. Let's filter it. This is what we usually do for samples, so you can like kind of not tell what the sample is, so we don't get caught. And this stuff right here, you can just go like, here you go. Or you can make, basically you can like make your own snare. And click off of it. Say you don't want that. Say you don't want that shit at all. You can go up to none. And it's off. It's back to regular. So, alright, so back to making a song. Took me a while to learn this. Even though it's not that hard. Okay. So let's hear the beat. Hey. Everything's still off. Okay, hey Gene. I'm back here trying to make the beat. I'll show you how to do it. I remember I just looked at the previous stuff, so some light in here. Sorry it's taking me so long to do this. I'm very sorry. So we left off on how to make the beat into a song. So we have this stuff. Alright, so what you want to do is when you're done, this is what I usually do. I usually want to put the main sound of the song. Like the main sound for me is the bass. That's where you build off of. So what you wanna do is, okay, this is the first pattern. See that number 1 right here? You can see the number 1 right there. That's the first pattern. Okay, then you go right here to the pattern. You left click it. You press and hold and you move it up. And it's that again. Don't get scared by this, because you can change it right back to 8. So simple. So that's the first, second. Oh wait, this is the second actually. Sorry. Always keep it at 8. Eventually you can make it longer, but just for now you should just keep it at 8 since it'll be easier for you. So next you want to go with the next like corresponding sound or drum. Now usually if I go in order of importance, but you know, just for you, let's say okay, the bass is going to stay on this pattern. You're going to take this is the kick drum right here. You're going to right click it and go to edit, copy, go to the second pattern, go to the kick drum that you did, go to right click again, edit, and paste, and it'll be right there for you. And then go back to the first pattern and then erase this, because in the song, if you still have that on there, it's going to play, you know, with the other stuff, and you don't want that. You want to separate it so it's easier to work with. So and do the same thing with the snare now. Copy, go to the third thing, paste, and then go back to the original first one. You erase the snare, and go to the hi-hat, copy the fourth one. You can just put it in here, paste, and then change it to 8, or you know, do whatever you want before. Either one before, but you know, either way it is there. Go back to the first one, erase the hi-hat. Now you got your piano thing. Okay, then you have the piano. You copy, go to the 5th, paste, and then make it 8 again so it can be right. And when you erase this, when you use piano roll, you just right click piano roll and erase it from the piano roll, and it's still on the other one. So therefore you have everything set up for you in 5 different things. So now you want to go to this part right here. It's right next to the play button. It says pattern. Now it says song. You can click song, and then you want to go to this first thing right here. That's how you make the song. It's like a graph. So click that, and boom, shakalaka laka. Now click that off, because it means just click it off. Just automatically click it off. Alright, so the first pattern you have remember, is your base. That's this right here. See, it's 1, 3, 5, 7. So it goes in twos, so it's easier to count. So it's, you know, that's 2 bars, that's 4, that's 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. That's 16 bars right there. Very easy to count. So maybe you want to start it off like this. As much as you want, just keep adding. You know, you can hit the space bar to stop it. And then say for instance, I forget what's on that one, just go to this right here and click on the patterns and it'll bring it up. Like, oh, okay, number 2 was drums, or the kick drum. Click off of it, go to that, so beat. Alright, so when you get done, when you get to this, I forget, I don't really know how to fade it out on here, sorry, I usually don't do it. So what you want to do, you're done with that, you want to go to File, Save As, and you're going to name it. Usually I name it as a different thing so I can separate the patterns and the song. So this is the song file. So I put clean as in finished, or you can just put final, and you have it like that. So when it's, you know, you're going to go back to it. Say for instance, I want to add something else. For me, it's sometimes it's easier just to go back to the original thing, so you can have all the patterns like that. Sometimes, if it's real quick, I just go to the song itself. Wait. Yeah, and then it'll be all right there again. So I hope this helps. I'm running out of time. Hope this helps. If you need any more questions, you know where to hit me at. Peace.